we were lucky enough to move into this house that already had a garden. So we were like, wow, we have to make use of it. And so right away we got to making sure that it was clean and that we're putting fresh soil in it. And then it came to thinking of what do we want here? What do we want to grow? My favorite part is absolutely the interaction with my family. It gives us something to do together. It's great to teach my young daughters about gardening and making sure that they understand the process and that they have fun while they're doing it, and then seeing something from nothing to the table, right? So it's this idea that you're planting something, it's growing, you're cultivating it, and then next thing you know, you're having a meal. It's important for our generation, previous generations, but most importantly for the generations to come. We need to make sure that we're leaving the planet not only where we found it or how we found it, but actually in a better place. And we need to start working on those things like reducing our carbon emission and carbon footprint right away. There's so many different things that you can do. It doesn't take a lot of time, but it really makes a difference in your community.